Welcome to this video tutorial for Access Nevada. In this video, we'll be showing you the district dashboard for the Early Childhood Outcomes module. This video describes general functionality for the module. What is displayed on your screen will depend on the roles and permissions you have been assigned, and your experience may be different from what is shown in this video. After logging in to Access Nevada, you will be redirected to the system dashboard. In the upper right corner of your screen, your LEA and the current school year are displayed. Throughout the Access Nevada system, the terms district and LEA are used interchangeably to refer to a school district or local education agency. By default, the system will be set to the current school year. To change the school year or district, click in the fields found in the upper right corner of the screen near your username. Drop-down menus allow you to select from the appropriate options. You have two options for navigating to the Early Childhood Outcomes dashboard. You can access the dashboard by clicking Early Childhood Outcomes from the left navigation menu. This will open up the menu with Dashboard as the first option. You can also access the dashboard from the Early Childhood Outcomes tile found in the center pane of your main dashboard. Clicking on the tile will redirect you to the Early Childhood Outcomes dashboard for the school year you have selected. The dashboard will display a Reported Scores summary section. The left side of this section displays the number of students with entry scores and exit scores. The right side of this section displays the same data presented in a bar graph. Please note this section may be blank if no scores have been entered yet. If the data collection has not been verified, a Validate and Finalize button will be available on the top right of the table. Once validated, this action cannot be undone. After the data collection has been verified, the Validate and Finalize button will be hidden, and a message will display at the top of the page stating the date of review and the name of the verifier. Below the Reported Scores summary section, a Reports button is available. Clicking this button will redirect you to the Early Childhood Outcomes Reports page. Graphs and data tables can be found under each of the displayed tab headings. Reports are available in the following areas: Positive social relationships, knowledge and skills, ability to meet needs, Summary Statement 1, Summary Statement 2, filterable trend data. Clicking the Export to Excel buttons available on each report page will allow you to download the data. The file will show in your browser's Downloads bar and be available to view and save. Return to the Early Childhood Outcomes dashboard using the left navigation options or using the navigation cookies displayed at the top of the page. Below the Reported Scores Summary section, a Child Search button is available in the lower right corner. Clicking this button will redirect you to the Early Childhood Outcomes Child Search page. You can also access the Child Search page by using the left navigation menu. Select Early Childhood Outcomes, then Child Search. The Child Search page displays a search section at the top of the page with the following search and filter fields: first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, state ID, school. You can also use the checkboxes located on the right side of the text fields to filter your search. Checkboxes available are: child is under the age of blank, child is over the age of blank, child has entry score but no exit score, child's entry score is higher than child's exit score, child has an entry score range of blank to blank, child has an exit score range of blank to blank. Enter your search and/or filter parameters, and then click the search button in the bottom right corner of the page. Leaving all of the search fields and filters blank and clicking search will display all of the students in the selected district. Clicking on the search button will reveal an Advanced Search Filters section on the Child Search page. Advanced search options allow you to further narrow down the results by age, date, entry score, exit score, scoring categories, eligibility categories, and ethnicity. After selecting your search filters, click the Apply button in the bottom right corner of the Advanced Search Filters section to display your results. A search results table is displayed with the following columns: Actions, State ID, First Name, Middle Name, Last Name, Date of Birth, School, Age, Ethnicity, Placement, Eligibility Category, Entry Scores, Exit Scores. Clicking in the column header to the right of a column label will reveal an ascending or descending sort arrow and sort the table contents. Click the State ID number in the row of the student record you want to view. Depending on the status of the student record, you will be directed to the appropriate system page to take the next action. The Entry Score page will open if no entry scores have been recorded for the selected student. The Exit Score page will open if no exit scores have been recorded. The Child Status page will open if both entry and exit scores have been recorded. The Entry Score page includes a learner information section containing demographic information so you can confirm scores are entered for the correct child. To record the entry score, select the entry date and the assessment tool used by the team to determine the score. For each outcome area, guidance is available to assist in the selection of a Child Outcomes Summary (COS) score. Clicking the View COS Decision Tree button will open a guidance document in a new tab. Clicking the Start COS Wizard button will display a series of decision-making questions for the team. The Exit Score page includes a learner information section containing demographic information so you can confirm scores are entered for the correct child. To record the exit score, select the exit date, exit reason, and the assessment tool used by the team to determine the score. For each outcome area, use the View COS Decision Tree and Start COS Wizard buttons and respond to the guiding questions. For each outcome area, select whether any progress was made. After both entry and exit scores have been entered, the Child Status page will display. The Child Status page includes learner information and a summary of the child scores for entry, exit, and progress. Use the left navigation, cookies at the top of the screen, or buttons at the bottom of the page to return to your dashboard or your child list. You can access the child list by clicking Early Childhood Outcomes from the left navigation menu. This will open up the menu with Child List as an option. The Child List page will open and display the following search and filter fields: First Name, Last Name, Date of Birth, State ID, School, Show Bookmarked Only. Search results will be displayed in a table with the following column headers: Bookmarked, State ID, First Name, Last Name, Birth Date, School, Age, Eligibility Category, Entry Score, Exit Score, Entry Date, Exit Date, Case Manager, Remove. You can take multiple actions from the interactive child list table. Click in the column header to sort results. Controls found at the bottom right side of the table can be adjusted to show more results. Clicking the star allows you to add or remove a bookmark. Clicking the pencil icon allows you to edit the case manager. Clicking the remove icon removes the student from the child list. Clicking the hyperlinked State ID will redirect you to the appropriate page to take next steps for the selected child. Thank you for viewing this video tutorial. For additional help, search the user guide or refer to the Access Nevada help menu.